The headlines we've been tracking for you this evening. Comfort tech brand The Sleep Company is eyeing to achieve profitability by the end of FY25. Now, in just over 4 years since its inception, the company has touched 500 crore rupees in annual recurring revenue, disrupting the traditional mattress industry with 100 company-owned, company-operated stores. The company claims it is India's fastest D2C brand to achieve this feat in just 2 years since entering the offline retail space. And to talk to us about the road ahead, joining me now is Priyanka Salod, the co-founder of the Sleep Company. Also with me, my colleague Arundhati. Priyanka, welcome to Startup Street. Let's start with your growth numbers. The company's operating revenue surpassed 127 crore rupees in FY23. You've witnessed a significant jump from 74 lakh in FY20, and you claim the Sleep Company is well positioned to reach the 1,000 crore rupee revenue mark in the next 2-3 years. What makes you bullish, Priyanka? Where do you see the next leg of growth coming from?
Yeah, hi Shruti, hi Arundhati. Absolutely thrilled to be here. Absolutely, I think the Sleep Company started just 4.5 years back. And the business has been tripling year on year, right? You said fiscal 23, we did 127 CR. Today, the brand's already doing more than 500 CR ARR, right? So we are very, very bullish that the brand will achieve 1,000 CR by fiscal 27. And I think for us, the three big growth levers is doubling down on what has been working very well for the brand for last 4 years. Which first one is, product innovation. We are a company based on product and technology. So we will continue to innovate a lot of products. Second, I think, which is, building a great brand that consumers love. So driving awareness about our technology, about the Sleep Company, I think is the second growth lever. And third is, as you said, we just opened our 100th store and we are very, very bullish, and we took 2 years to open 100 stores. And now I think the intent is go from 100 to 200 in just 12 months. So I think that's going to be our third and the biggest growth lever.
All right, so you've taken us through your key, growth levers over the next few years, but you also pointed out how important your technology is at the core of your business, right? So if you could take us through your tech edge, can you talk to us about your smart grid technology? How does it give you that competitive edge in this market?
Yes. So Arundhati, let me first, we all spend 1/3 of our life on a mattress, which typically is 26 years. The products that we all are aware of. If you look at the history of mattress market, we started from sleeping on cotton mattresses that went to coir, which comes from coconut trees. And then it went to polyurethane or PU form. And there are multiple variations of form, which is one of them is memory form, which is what all of us are aware of. But guess what? When was memory foam invented? It was invented in 1960s. Before I think you were born or I was born, before even color television was there. I think we invented smart grid after multiple years of research. It's a completely new material in this industry. And it's a material which is proven to deliver much better, deeper quality of sleep. We've got patent granted for our technology, not just in India, but multiple countries outside India as well. And I think that's what is going to be the future of sleep, not just in India, but across the world, and which is our very, very big edge compared to any brand in this country.
All right, Priyanka, you're now looking to position yourself as a house of brands. You're looking to expand your product line. So tell us, how are you integrating artificial intelligence into your future products? What are the new offerings, and how will AI further enhance your customer experience?
Yeah, so Shruti, today we operate in two core categories. I think for us, the vision is one set of products that make people sleep better, and second set of products that make people sit better. So that's literally, more than 70% of our day. And we leverage our technology, for example, smart grid technology, a lot of AI-enabled products to do that. Today, all our products come with our patented tech. Lot of products we have in R&D, which you will see actually coming from the company in this quarter and before the festive season, which are first of its kind, not just in India, but in the world.
Right, absolutely. You also, as you mentioned to us, you have 100 company-owned stores at this point of time that you operate, and you have 2 manufacturing sites as well, right? One in Bombay and one in Bangalore. So take us through capacities at your manufacturing plants, and also what is the expansion plan as far as your stores go?
Yeah. So, Arundhati, today we are completely backward and forward integrated, which means manufacturing end-to-end in-house and making consumers purchase in our own experience centers. So no middleman. Today, we are utilizing around 70% of our capacity. We do have plans to expand to a third manufacturing unit within the next 4 to 5 months. On stores, it's been doing phenomenally well for us. I think one of the best performing stores in this category. We have plans to take 100 to 200 in the next 12 to 15 months.
All right. So you said that you're looking at opening a third manufacturing facility as well. Do tell us which city would that be in? And also talk to us about your omni-channel play. What is the revenue mix between retail stores and online? And how do you see it going forward?
Yeah. So, the way we look at the business is a little different. We don't look at it online, offline. We look at it true omni business. And we use a term called ROPO, which is research online, buy offline. And that's what I think the sleep company is truly disrupting in this industry, where we can reach any consumer from literally Jammu Kashmir to Kerala through online, drive our awareness, but we can make sure that we convert them in our offline stores. Having said that, today, we started our retail journey 2 years back, or our omni journey 2 years back, and it's already contributing more than 50% of our business.
All right. And, what about your top selling products? Which ones would they be? And what are your top cities in terms of sales volumes? Any new trends you see emerging? What is your customer looking for?
Yeah. So I think today for us, we sell, I think our most selling products is smart grade ortho mattresses. And I think our biggest performing cities, South is a very, very big chunk of our business, Bangalore being our most, the top city for us. I think we are seeing a huge change in the consumer trends in the last few years, and a lot of it is triggered by COVID. So I think, 4 years or 5 years back, before we started the sleep company, I think we didn't see consumers care about what they were sleeping on. Today, I think consumers shops a mattress, and I always give the example, they shop the mattress the way they would buy a phone, which means you want to know what's the pixel of your phone, what's the camera resolution of your phone. People are researching anywhere between 1 week to 2 weeks before they decide what brand they want to buy, what technology they want to buy. And I think it's becoming a very involved category, because today's consumer, I think after COVID wants to invest in products that they feel are good for their family and good for the health. And mattress is, controlling your sleep, which is directly correlated to your health.
Okay. Priyanka, you're also looking to strengthen your workforce from the current 1,000 headcount to 1,400 employees by the end of this year. Is there hiring across all verticals?
Absolutely. So, we already have 1,000 plus manpower, and we would be hiring across the functions to build a great brand, product, and go to market. But the bulk of the hiring you would see happening in our retail network as we expand, network of our company owned stores.
Right, so bulk of the hiring in your retail network. But, if you could tell us, your last fundraise was 184 crore rupees in a Series C round from Premji Invest and Fireside Ventures last year. So will you be looking to raise more funds anytime soon to fuel your aggressive growth plans at this point?
So, Arundhati, I think we've got enough runway, and we've got enough money in the bank. And as I said, I think the intent for the brand is to get profitable. So I think we're not looking to raise any funds in the short term, but we've got enough money, and we want to reach, as I said, 1,000 crores, a very profitable, sustainable business that can deliver for not just our shareholders and every stakeholder.
Okay, one final question, Priyanka, before I let you go. I want to talk to you about the competitive space. Do you feel you have competition? And if you do, then how do you plan to grab a bigger market share?
Yeah. So I think, Shruti, when we started 4.5 years back, we started as a digital first business, and there were more than 20 companies which were there present. And then 2 years back, we ventured offline. Today, we are the fastest growing brand in this category, right? Yes, absolutely. There is competition. There are legacy brands, and then there are new age brands. But I think for us, the focus has always been on our consumers and how can we make them sleep and sit better with great products and great customer experience. And I think we would continue to disrupt both spaces with amazing products and our experience centers and disrupt this industry.
All right, Priyanka, we've run out of time, but many thanks for joining us on Startup Street. And like you said, keep disrupting, keep revolutionizing the sitting and sleeping segment. And thank you once again for joining us on Startup Street.
Thank you so much for having me.